So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a tracking number on Depop. So the first thing you want to do is to open up Depop.com. On there you can see stuff for women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, and sale. You can see to your seller hub, you can see your messages, likes, and bag. You can also check out stuff through here for your profile, selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, and logging out. So on there you can go to sell now. If you click on here, you can list an item. You can see your photos, you can see the description of it, you can get your information, enhance the listing, and item price. So on here, if you add for shipping, you can add a new shipping address through there. So the important thing about this is that once you have already sold that item, you will need to put in that shipping number manually, or tracking number for shipping manually, because usually the item doesn't come with that, so that will be a part of its information. So once it's sold, only the seller will be able to access it, and you can add that tracking number for the seller to check on it within its description, or better yet, you can send it to your seller through messages on Depop or some other form of communication if you've exchanged maybe numbers or some social media accounts, so you can without making it publicly just give the buyer the necessary information. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.